With smart color picking, the Govee Home app can capture the colors on your favorite photos and apply them to your car lights. Enjoy over 16 million colors and a host of scene modes thanks to an intuitive DIY mode. With a mic on phone, you can sync your music to your car lights with ease. Choose from soft or dynamic mode and watch your lights dance to the beat of your favorite songs, helping you drive in style. Manage your car lights with the Govee Home app via Bluetooth connection and gain access to better features. The remote provides you convenient 4-button control, which allows easier operation. 2-lines design with long wires helps connect the car lights. Install your lights easily with the provided strong adhesives and reinforce them with the clips and screws for more security.